today we need extra confirmation for our trading, okay? If you do take impulse candles when you see trading like this, sessions trading like this, do low lot feelers, okay? Don't do anything crazy. Don't do any high lots because one wick could wash you right out, you know? It's not the greatest to be trading right now. Okay, so look at all of the choppiness all over the place. US30 looks like it broke its trend line now and it's trying to break, okay? So US30, guys, keep an eye on US30 as well. NASDAQ is back inside this area, okay? I'm still holding my original buy. I'm still holding it, okay? So I was gonna exit. I told you guys my mental stop was gonna be down here. That wick came down. It scared me, but I allowed it to do what it had to do and it came right back in. So I'm right back into profit again. I didn't take out my 10 pips when I was up. And then it came down into drawdown and I'm still holding, okay? But this time now, if it comes up, I might exit the trade now. GU is coming up, okay, into this area, 135.65 area, and gold is coming up. So market is now coming bullish now. Yeah, guys, London is normally good sessions. This is a lot of choppiness for London, but it may open up, guys. So just don't take any unnecessary trades because we saw yesterday London when we kind of ended the call, we had that big FU candle, and then the market really gave the pips. So if the trades are not there, guys, don't force any trades. Don't force anything. If you do feel like you need to trade, go with low lot. So especially when you see this is how the volume is trading, like a lot of indecision, no real momentum. And then also, this is where you got to use extra confirmation. Look at gold. Gold came up here like 3 times, but no volume is closing above 1827 area. So gold is just being gold. This is how gold normally trades. GBP USD is coming up to this daily high. So it's tough, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is not the easiest to be scalping, but we can sit and observe and wait for the moves. Okay, so now US30 finally is breaking through this area. Okay, so these candle bars are going to close in a minute 20. Okay, so there's US30. It's doing its impulse break. NASDAQ is back inside here too. Okay, so let's wait. Let's see. Can this candle give us the volume that we need to close above that white line? Okay, it came up here, got rejected. Came up here, got rejected. Next one is going to get rejected again. Can we actually close with volume above there? And US30 is moving too, guys. Okay, gold is rejected, coming back down. GU is moving bullish, NASDAQ is moving bullish, and US30 are moving bullish, guys, okay? 30 seconds to go. The last 30 seconds are very critical on candles, okay? So here we go. Can this NASDAQ break the previous high and touch this? There we go, okay? Guys, I'm up 11 pips now on NASDAQ. I'm still holding it. US30 is hitting an area if you got in on an impulse move, okay? If you patiently waited for that. There we go. Okay, guys, grab some pips now. If you're in on the indices, you can grab some pips up here. Okay, it's closing now. Here's the close. Okay, so we close with volume above. It could come all the way back down to retest this trend line. Hopefully we don't come all the way down. We can just continue off of this big bullish candle and we break this hourly high and we can continue to move bullish up to this red line up here, right up here, where we have that red line. 14,753. Here's the continuation off of US30, guys. If you guys are in US30, it's continuing to move bullish. US30. GU is looking good, guys. GU is continuing to push. Okay, 12 pips, guys. Remember, in choppy markets, guys, you can grab some profits. Yakov, there will be a big move on US30. Yep, hold the line. Okay. If that's what you believe, we could be getting it. Yep, it could come test this hourly level, but we just gotta, it's coming. 35,684. But remember, we're also in a downtrend above us. Okay. So it's counter trading. But if you get 10, 15 pips, guys, secure a little bit on a choppy market, like how things are moving right now. Okay, so I secured profit, guys. I secured 12 pips. I was in drawdown where I should have taken out 10. I came into drawdown. So now where I got 12 pips, I just exited my trade, okay? And I'll reobserve how things are moving. So I grabbed about 12 pips off of that. Half lot, so 60 bucks. Normally I trade with bigger lot sizes, but not during chop sessions like this. I posted the trade in the chat, guys. Yeah, so now remember what I told you. It could come back down to retest this like red line, this trend line, okay? It could come all the way back down. This was the first time we actually closed with volume above it. It might want to come down to retest, okay? Gold is boring, yes. It's slowly starting to make a little bit of an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Slowly, it's crawling like a snail. Yeah, these sessions are not the easiest, guys. Maybe we go back to bed, and then as soon as we end the call, then the big moves happen. We sweat out all of the choppiness, and as soon as we end the call, then it makes its big moves always. So we're gonna go till minimum 4:30, guys. I go 90 minutes, 2 hours. We're not going to end this call. We'll wait till 4 a.m. Maybe 4 a.m. in the next 15, 20 minutes. We'll bring some new volatility in the markets, and maybe we'll get some cleaner moving volume. Okay, and I'll also do oil, guys. But let's just see here, because this could be some key breaks. Here we go. Nasdaq now is pushing. Okay, so we got the retest there. And US30. Okay, so now Nasdaq is breaking. So this could be like another entry on Nasdaq, guys. Okay, so for another net entry, let's see if NASDAQ can close with volume above that white line. Let's see, it just pierced through. Let's see if we can close above there. Same with US30. Let's see if we can close with volume above that white line, because the white line is hourly resistance. This is now 5-minute volume coming into hourly area, and we're breaking above it. There we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, so come up, guys. If you took a continuation buy, you could be in this trade. Same with US30, continuing to pump. GBP USD is continuing to move too. Okay, so let's see. It's going to close in 1 minute. What we need is volume to close above this white line for both, for US30 and Nasdaq. And GU is at the daily area, the yellow line. US30 is moving really nice, guys. Okay, so Nasdaq, we need a close above this white line. Okay, that's hourly resistance. US30 is moving nice, guys. Look at US30. How many of you guys are still holding US30? There we go. Could be breaking, come up to the yellow line. 35,700 is the daily area for US30, guys. Nasdaq is pushing too. Okay, get ready. 10 seconds, and then we're going to get new candles. Okay, so we got close, we got volume close above. Now we're going to use this white line area as support area, as hourly support. There we go. There's a nice continuation on Nasdaq. Break this red line, and we could come right through here. Same with US30, guys. US30 could continue to pump. Whoa, there it is, guys. Guys, there's the pump, guys. Get ready. There's the pump. There's goes Nasdaq, and maybe US30 is going to follow too. But there's the move. I got in on that, guys. Okay, it could be, this could be an FU candle, so just be careful. That was a crazy pump out of there. Okay, do you see how quickly that happened? That was a quick move. But if we fill this wick now, if we continue to move, we fill the wick. Oh my God, guys, look at the bump. Guys, grab your pips on all indices. Guys, I scaled out $200. I went in with a standard lot. I like that setup. So I increased my lot size right there and I got over $200. Look at US30, guys. Woo! Guys, get your London pips. We waited for this. We waited. We had to sweat this shit out, but we got it. Guys, Aditya, 250 pounds. There you go, my man. Get your pips, guys. Mazen, 1.5K, bro. Congrats, my man, my Habibi. Good job. Killing it. Guys, look at that. So see, gold is garbage, guys. That's why I tell Dave and I tell you guys, look at the indices, guys. Look how nice that breakout was. Beautiful. We caught all of that, guys, all the juice. And we were saying how choppy this was, but guys, patience. This thing could continue to break. Scale, guys, scale, okay? So make sure if you're staying to the trade, take some partials, okay? This is where it could come up to right now. Okay, so that wick right there. Oh my God, guys, it's continuing to pump. Oh my God. Here's, there goes US30. If we can break there. Yakov, you were right, bro. You called it, the big move. Wow, guys. We caught all of that, okay? I grabbed, I went in with like a larger lot size, okay? So I went in with a half lot, was my original. I liked how the setup was looking. So then when I took the retest, I went in with a standard for 21 pips, $212. Okay, I posted in the chat. I'm out of that trade, but continue to move. There's the daily, guys. Look at the yellow line. Okay, when we did our top down, could come all the way up here, 14,796, 14,800 area. Excellent. Guys, gold is just being gold, okay? Look at these things move. Mo, 40 pips, congrats, bro. Mika, 2% on your MFF challenge. Congratulations, guys, congrats. Like, I'm so happy for you guys. Amazing. I thought this was going to be a real choppy session, but it turned out to be beautiful, guys. But, you know, secure some profits too, guys. You know, this candle is going to close in a minute 20, okay? But still nice momentum. So very nice breakout, guys. Very beautiful breakout. Look at US30, how clean that looks, man. US30 is real sexy. Danish entry again. See, I'm not a fan of re-entering at the highs, you know, but you can. Let's just see how it's going to close, okay? We have 50 seconds. Let's see where it's going to close. Maybe we do, let's see RSI. Okay, RSI is way overbought. Look at it, it's at 75, 76. So it's, if you do want, you're kind of chasing the high, it could extend for some more pips, but just keep in mind that it is overextended. We had the buys, the re-entries were down here and here, but this is continuing to drive, guys. These are bullish candles. Wow. My God. Garland, pass MFF phase 1 yesterday, thanks to you and Dave. Amazing, bro. We'll help you pass phase 2. You know, just continue doing what you're doing. Don't change anything, guys. Carry the momentum with you guys. Guys, I'm going to unmute your mics if you have any questions about this. 213 of us, so congrats, everybody. If you got any questions about these setups, you guys are welcome to unmute your mic right now.
Daddy Teddy.
What's going on, man? Okay,
how
guys.
are you?
This is the new 5-minute candle, guys. So make sure, you know, it could come down bearish now, but don't give away too many pips, okay? So secure. So if you still want to stay, keep the trade, make sure you take out maybe 60, 70, 80% of that big move, okay? You guys saw what we were dealing with, all this garbage. And now we just got a gift from the gods right there. The pip gods, they blessed us right there. So secure a little bit. There's nothing wrong with securing profit. This is continuing to run. US30, look, it cut a little low wick, continued to push. But I secured, man. I got out too early too. I thought it was going to be one of those FU candles and come right back down. But I was still happy. 21 pips. I went in with a standard lot. I increased my position and then took out over $200. So it's because I'm used to these type of things. I'm used to where they break out 20 pips and then they big wick and comes right back down. So that's why sometimes I secure, because I know what can happen. But this was just a clean break. This was beautiful, guys. So you see how we broke this entire high area? So that was a nice imbalance in the market. That's what just happened on US30 and NASDAQ. That's an imbalance in the market that we just filled, and which can continue to run, okay? Can continue to run this afternoon. GBP USD is looking good too, guys. It's holding. It came all the way down. Look at GU now. GU wants to break out too. Gold is just garbage, guys. Gold is it is shit, guys. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm telling you guys straight up. Like, I don't know why everyone loves to trade gold. It's too difficult to scalp. Like, how do you not want to scalp this US30 and NASDAQ and commission free, guys? When you're trading this garbage gold, you got to pay your broker commission fees to trade this. So that's why we choose these type of indices. Can you flip gold with oil? Yeah, I can. Yeah, we will do that. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow, London. Instead of gold, we'll throw oil in here for a couple days too. We'll focus on oil because oil makes some crazy moves too, like 60, 80 pip moves.
So Ron, what makes it turn around like that? Like so choppy and then it just jumps up like that?
Yeah, that's exactly what market makers do. They want retail to get frustrated, and what that was a lot of accumulation distribution, and it was like a trend break. So it was beautiful the way how they set it up. We had the zone identified perfectly. So that was just an imbalance in the market. It needed to fill this area. They wanted to bring it down and to get us to bite on sells on all these low wicks down here. And I guarantee you retail took sells because these were big red candles coming down, coming down, coming down. But that's why when I do top down, guys, see where I position the sell, 35,603, it was the hourly support line, okay? So I wanted confirmation for 5-minute volume to close bearish below hourly support. Then I would have took sell. Same with up here. I waited for the trend break and volume to get above the hourly. And then we had the imbalance fill in the market. So that's exactly what happened there.
Right.
But it just takes patience, guys. You know, like we were thinking about ending the call, trading all this, but I know that London is going to break out. Like there's going to be volatility in London. There, look at NASDAQ continuing to push, guys, right to the daily. Holy shit, guys. That's a massive move right there.
Yeah.
Like from all the way from down here to here, that's, guys, almost 70 pips right there, okay? So you could be done for the day, go back to sleep, you know, 70 pips. And,
I wish I could.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I struggle with sleeping too, man. Wow.
When I win, I just want to keep on winning. I love it.
I know it's a nice feeling, you know, carry that momentum, you know, it's momentum trading and your confidence is high. So that's the kind of area you want to be as a trader, is to have the confidence, carry momentum with you. When you're trading all sessions, you're just continuing to make some pips. So guys, what I got to do now is like, I got to go to a full chart on NASDAQ to see where we can go. Okay. So look to the left, like look on the 5 minutes, see where we're coming up to. Look at this huge imbalance to the left. Right here, guys. This could be a massive move coming on, going into New York today. Look it up here, 14,872. Look at this big imbalance. So once it clears, like basically these wicks right here, 14,800 area, this thing could really fill. So that's what we're doing, guys. See what we're doing? We're filling all of this imbalance to the left. See here, where these wicks right there, right here. If I bring this red line across what I had, see where it's lined up? We just broke through there. That is the imbalance. See how there's just this area, this area. There's not too much chop. This is a pure breakout. Now look up here. If we break above this red line, look at this. It's just a red candle coming down on February 2nd, my birthday, 4 o'clock when market closed. This was, what was this in the market? The market closed. Was this Facebook earnings when they dumped the market? I can't remember right here, but this is when the market dumped after hours right there, 4 p.m. market close. Okay, so this is the daily area. So on that move, should be grabbing some profits up there, guys. Don't get too greedy because now things could start to come down bearish a little bit. There could be some supply here, some selling pressure. On a 70, 80 pip move, guys, make sure you secure some of those profits because you won't feel really good if you don't secure anything and then a red candle comes all the way back down and then you give away 50, 60, 70 pips, 80 pips. Not a good feeling. If this continues to move to that red line right up there. Now, I'm not in a trade. So what I'm doing is I'm going to wait now to see after things may consolidate and maybe we can get volume back above this daily area and then maybe we can continue pushing. But I don't like to always buy the highs. Okay, it's already broke out. We had our buys. So now I let things cool down. This will help you to eliminate chasing. And if you have a really successful trade, sometimes you want to continue to buy and then it starts to retrace 20, 30 pips, and then you're going to give away a lot of your profit. So that's just how I trade. You know, everybody is different, but I don't like to FOMO trade, fear of missing out, and continue buying highs. Look at gold now, okay? So gold is starting to break, okay? So gold too, we're gonna watch gold to close below this area, 1826.78 area, not just a red candle and then catch a wick. Let's see if volume can actually close and then gold might start to dump. Okay, guys, so I feel good. At least we got some pips out of that. A lot of you guys got some good profits. You guys are passing phase 1, phase 2 challenges. Congrats. Okay, so that's what it's all about. If you guys want me chart oil too? We're going into 4 a.m. Okay, so we're about 2 minutes and 30 seconds away from 4 a.m. We're gonna get a new hourly candle, guys. Okay, so remember, I always mention this to you guys. I give you guys heads up. New hourly candle means new volatility in the market. So like these indices can continue to push. They might continue pushing to 4 a.m., continue off of the previous hourly candle, or we might start to get some bearish momentum in the next hour. It might come down and pick up a wick. Like right now, how GBP USD, it's got that big red candle. That's what could happen on these indices. They could come down like how GU is coming down. Okay.